Hey bro, you're wasting your content. If you have created a 10-minute long form video with the 5 amazing tips, then why you are not creating 5 shorts by using that long form video, which multiply your reach? So hey, my name is Som, I'm a Canva verified expert. So in this video, I will show you how you can repurpose your long form videos and convert them into high performing Instagram Reel or YouTube Shorts. So stick into this video, we will explore something new inside the Canva. So without wasting any time, let's dive in amazing detail. So the first step, what you can do, just grab your laptop and open it like this and just head to the Canva. So now all you have to do is just go into this social media and select the size to Instagram Reel, because the YouTube Shorts also having the similar size, so you can choose this particular and just click onto this upload button and select the video whatever you have created, a 10-minute long video. So in my case, I use this Canva Stuck series video where I will discuss top Canva related issues which people are facing. So I will cut it down into the 3 short form content. So let me show you how you can do it for you. So first I will take this amazing frame. Okay, so as it a long form video, so it is basically in 16:9 size. You can also add a bit animated background. So in my case, I will use a grid. So I will search on a grid and just head to the video. You will see couple of animated videos which is having the grid animation that you generally see on the internet. These are very viral. So I choose this one because it is aligning with my brand color blue. So now I will set this as a background. So this is what. And the next step is I will add the title. So for that I will need a rectangle. I just press the R key and create the rectangle like this. And if you want this particular template, you can check out the description, so you can repurpose it for your content also. So I will just place it like this and I will choose the color to white and add a bit of border. Okay, so now we can select only the first video part. I will cut it from after the intro. Okay, this is here. It is started. Okay, after the intro I will select only the first video. Okay, so till here I have discussed this thing. Okay. Okay, so you can see the transition. Okay, so till here I have discussed, so I will keep it like this. Okay, so you can see 1 minute 17 seconds is my duration of the first step. So I will just add a border around it also, just make it color to white. Okay, this is what. You can also choose your brand color if you want. And the last thing I will just do and just add a simple text and add my username, so someone who is watching this video, they can also follow. So in my case, I will add my name like design doggy, which is my Instagram handle. If you are not following on Instagram, then you can follow, check out the description. You can also stay connected on that. So you can see here, and also I will add one more rectangle, which is just giving now you can take a closer look. Also, if you want to explore with different backgrounds, you can just do it by replacing whatever it suits to you. You can use it and put it in your videos. Yeah, so this is the first shot I have made inside the Canva and repurposing my content. So similarly, I will just cut it down for the 3 shots and repurpose my content. So if I created a video which is 10-minute long and inside having the 5 tips, so I will easily create the 5 shorts video by using this amazing trick inside the Canva. So you can also do it for your content. So in this way you can also repurpose your content. And if you think this video is helpful for you, so do like, share and subscribe, and which motivate us to create amazing content for you. So till then, take care of yourself, tata and bye bye. See you into the next amazing video. But wait, if you want to grab the template, then check out the description, so you will get it free of cost and cut your video into amazing reels and shorts.